Hello guys, welcome back to Tutorial Ace, and in this video you are learning Power BI, and in this series I am going to show you how you can upload Google Sheet data to Power BI. That means what? How you can import Google Sheet data to Power BI. So you can guys see there are different tabs here, such as employee attendance, sales history, performance, department. Okay, different tabs here, different sheets here. So we will import this into Power BI because, as you know, Google Sheet is one of the very important and most used application of Google. So that's why it's important to show you that how you can import this. Now let's come back to here. Before that, let's do one thing. You have two options. Either you can close this, or we can click and take another page actually. So we're here actually. All right. Now here what we will do, get data, okay, and then you just need to write here sheet. So you can see here Google Sheet, then connect, click on this, and then you will have to paste here Google Sheet URL, which is this one. So let's click on Power BI and just provide the URL. Now you have to sign in with the same account where this Google Sheet account is. In my case, this Google Sheet is here, so I'll log in here. It will be asked you to continue with this. Alright, so now successfully has been, and now you can see sign in a different user, or that means what? We have already connected. Now click on this and then it will start importing. So guys, you can see all the data what we have, different tabs here, 1 2 3 4 5 tabs, 5 sheets actually, not tabs, you can see. So it has been imported here. Now click on all of these, and either you can directly click on load or just click on transform, whatever you are comfortable in. So it's better to click on transform. Sometimes you might be wondering that when I should directly load and when I should click on transform. So in case, for example, you can see here column 1, column 2, column 3, column 4. This is not a meaningful column. In that case, if you transform the data, then it is easier for you. Just if I click here, then you can see now the name is proper, right? Similarly, in performance, it's also column 1, column 2. So in this you can the meaningful name, and of course for this one also. In department 2, just click on use first row as header, and attendance also. Just okay. So guys, you can see all the tables, all the data has been successfully imported and we have transformed. Now what you need to do, just close and apply. So now it's transforming and importing into Power BI dashboard. So guys, you can see this is sales history, employee, department. So all the data has been imported, and now in table view you can see one by one whatever data you click, you can see all the data has been successfully imported. So guys, as you can see, it's very easy to import the data from Google Sheet. Guys, if you're new in my channel and if you have not subscribed so far, then I strongly recommend you please subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell button so that whenever I upload a new video you can get notification. And if you have any question, query, don't forget to write in comment box. I'll try my best to reply. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.